Hello everyone, welcome to the channel, welcome to another video. Today we're going to do another job on Terry the Transit, and we're going to replace the air filter. This is a really simple job, any DIY person can do this. It takes 5 minutes with very little tools. So that's the part number. This is a genuine Ford one. This is going in a 2021 Ford Transit Custom with a 2 litre Eco Blue engine, i.e. web belt. Tools you'll need, probably a screwdriver. I think it's a flat one, but we'll have a look in a minute. The air filter is under here, so what you need to do is undo this pipe here with a flat blade screwdriver. Disconnect this connector here, this is for the MAF sensor. Literally pull this tab up here and then you can click it off, and there's a pipe here. Again, you just push these up, push them that together, pull that off, and then you've got these little clips, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's get this off first. So I seem to have lost the audio on this camera, so I'm just going to voice over on this. Right, so to remove the large duplicate clip, just use a flat blade screwdriver, give it a bit of a wiggle, and then with both hands you can grab the pipe and pull it off. So you don't need to pull it off on both ends, just on this end, just enough room to enable you to lift the airbox lid like thus. Next, remove the MAF sensor connector. Again, just the little yellow tab, just pull that forward, and then you should be able to, there's like a spring that you can push that up, and you can pull the connector straight off. And then there's the 4 clips which hold the airbox lid on. So there's one on the left, then there's 2 on the front like that, and 1 on the right. And then the airbox lid will lift completely off, and you can remove it from the engine bay, and lo and behold, there is the air filter. So you can just remove the air filter, lift it out, and you can see it's full of leaves. They shouldn't be there. So you just need to throw that in the bin, give it a vacuum out before you put the new one back in. I should just make sure when you place the filter back in that it is sitting correctly. Just feel with your hands and make sure it's all pushed down, otherwise the lid will not fit correctly. There's just 2 little forks at the back of the airbox lid. You just need to locate them correctly before you bring the lid down and lock it in place. So you can see I'm just wiggling it there just to make sure that they are located correctly. And there you go, you can see the airbox lid is fitting nice and snug. And it's just a case of clipping in those 4 clips which we undid before. So once that's done, don't forget to re-plug in the breather pipe on the right hand side there. And then you can see on the left hand side we have the MAF sensor, so just plug that in and push it in, and push the tab forward, and then you've got the intake pipe. Just wiggle that in place and redo up the Jubilee clip with a flathead screwdriver, and there you are done. I hope that helps. Please feel free to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.